Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your money, work and abundance read. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Cancer, before I start your reading, let's take a Ganesha oracle card, as Ganesha is the god of new beginnings, abundance, love, money, prosperity. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you. And of course, we'll take one from the angel blessing deck as well. So from Lord Ganesha, you get protection. And from my angels, you get blessings of abundance. Cancer. Beautiful, beautiful two cards. You are divinely protected. You don't have to worry about a thing. If you've been feeling a little insecure, unstable, or wondering about your stability or your money or finances, the angels are saying you are having blessings and blessings of abundance coming your way. And don't worry, we have your back. You're totally protected. There's nothing to worry about. Beautiful two cards. I mean, Blessings of Abundance is, I think, the only card in this deck which speaks about abundance and money and, having it all. Look at this beautiful angel with fruits and flowers and all the goodies of the offerings, right? So that's abundance. So I think you got it and I think Leo got it. I mean, out of all these cards to get that card in itself is a blessing, I would say. So now let's begin your reading, Cancer, and welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your love and support. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. We meet here monthly, weekly, for love readings, general readings. So we welcome you in. Do join us. We welcome you. Let's see now what my Cancer needs to know to get all these blessings of abundance and why do they need to be protected from it? Why? Because there is somebody around you playing you, Cancer. There is somebody around you who is wanting to win at all cost. They will stop at nothing to feel like the victor and get what they want. Look at this person stealing the other person's swords, right? And saying, hey, it's all about me, 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 me. So I think this is where the protection is required, Cancer. You are getting blessings and blessings coming upon you, and there may be somebody around you who wants to maybe steal them off you. And but don't worry. Lord Ganesha has already, said you are being divinely protected, but not to say you shouldn't keep yourself protected as well, right? The angels can help you protect yourself, but the rest of the work you have to do yourself. The world wanting to shut down some old chapter and start something new, it seems. In the past, I think there was a conflict with somebody which you are now getting over and not feeling very happy about it, or maybe the other person isn't. Let's see. Let's clarify these cards before we move forward, Cancer. The World Spirit. What's this World card? Yeah, Cancer, you are making a decision. You've realized I don't want to be in confusion anymore. I have made my decision, and this has probably been due to a fight that you had with somebody, right? Or this fight is still continuing even now in the month of October, but it started, I think, in the recent past. Yeah, because maybe you made a decision regarding something in the past. Maybe you were at crossroads, not wanting to, not understanding which way to go. Should I go left or right, or trying to make a decision? And maybe there was somebody who was in conflict with you, and they still are. But you have, I think, dropped this fight now because this was giving you too much of stress and tension. There was too much of stress, pain, tension, sleepless nights, worrying happening in the past. But I think now, Cancer, you are shutting that chapter down. You have made up your mind, you are no longer confused, and you've decided, hey, I'm going to walk away from this and I'm going to go my own way, right? So you're walking away from either a conflict or a situation or a person which is leading you to have these sleepless nights, and these fights could be regarding money, abundance, inheritance, property, could be anything, right? Because this is a money read. So why is the Six of Wands here, Spirit? There is a bit of unhappiness here, Cancer, looking back at the past memories, still having regrets, or feeling that, of all that you've lost, maybe. You in the past had a lot of abundance which you lost, and now you have some regrets of losing that. You feel that you could have had so much victory, and you keep wishing that you could go back to the way things were, right? Of all the lost abundance that you've had. I would recommend Cancer, what is gone, right? This is the time your new chapter of your life is beginning right now. Don't take this forward with you, right? Don't take this regret, sorrow, and worry with you. Walk away from all that doesn't serve you. Walk away from this conflict, whether it's mental, whether it's with somebody. It's time to walk away from all this conflict and drop all this confusion and fantasizing about things which didn't happen in the past, right? I see you somewhere still having a bit of regret and still wishing and wanting to reclaim what has gone. But the point is, it's gone now, Cancer, and new blessings of abundance are coming to you, so you have to look forward to those now. Let's see, what is it that you are holding on to? You're still holding on to the fact that somehow you could return back to the way things were, right? You're still hoping that things didn't go forward, but they would go backward. Maybe in the past you lost something, you lost a house or money or abundance. So Spirit is saying, why are you still holding on to that? Here we are waiting to give you something new. But instead of accepting that, you've put like a halt to everything in your life because all you keep doing is thinking of the way things were in the past, right? Stop living in past memories now. Don't hold on to that anymore and look forward to the future now, because there are lots of beautiful things that are coming in your future. Yes, it's time now to heal from all the past hurts of loss, of regret, and wish upon a star for new things to come, which are definitely there, because the angels are blessing you with blessings of abundance here, right? So what is it that you should let go of, Cancer? Eight of Pentacles. Spirit, why should Cancer let go of the Eight of Pentacles? Spirit is saying, if you are, feeling burdened and feeling that you're the only one here, yeah, let go of the feeling, too many cards here, let go of the feeling that the only way, Cancer, that you can have abundance, okay, family abundance and longevity in terms of abundance, is that if you put in all the work, right? It's all on to you, that you are the alone person who has to create all this abundance for everyone. It's time for you to have a fresh new beginning for yourself. Let go of this feeling of overwhelm that if I don't do it, it's not going to happen. You're not allowing other people to take responsibility of their own lives, it seems, because yes, you are very fortunate. You've always been the one who's been lucky, I think, in creating all the money, wealth, and finance in your life for your significant other. But I think you should let go of the feeling that it's only you and nobody else has to put in any work, right? So let's see what's going to be your biggest blockage. Your biggest blockage is the Emperor. So this could be you, Cancer, or this could be somebody else around you who's a very controlling person who doesn't do equal give and take, right? And that's what's leading you to feel that you have to do it alone. So this person is, I think, slowly becoming a blockage in your life, Cancer. Or if this is you, you feel that you are the only one in control. Though I don't feel it. But, these cards which are flying out show me this is somebody else who's immature around you, who, who is more trouble than anything else. They are an immature energy who don't take responsibility for anything. There is no equal give and take here, and they always like to still show you that maybe they're the boss, right? If this person lingers in your energy zone for too long, Cancer, this may become a blockage to your new beginning, the new beginning that you are wishing and hoping for, right? And to create abundance and happiness and stability in your own life. This is slowly going to become a blockage. This is the person, I think, who does this, the me, right? I'm going to win at any cost kind of person. Let's see how people or this person sees you. Yeah, people around you see you as a person who is angry, upset, and no longer offering any, or not even accepting any offers of love and affection which are not based on truth. They see you as fed up of empty promises, and they see you fed up of a lot of things in your life which are making you feel angry and upset. And how else do people see my Cancer? They do see you as a very emotional person. They do see you as don't harbor a fight for too long either. You are easy to please sometimes, Cancer. You get taken in very easily if somebody has to just come and say sweet nothings to you, even if you get angry once in a while, and because of people's false promises or whatever, you do heal from that very fast. And it's you're a very emotional person. You're a very, very emotional person, right? That's how people view you. And yes, that is your card as well, Cancer. You are a very deep, sensitive and emotional person, and that's how people see you. Let's see what's Spirit Secret advice to you. Page of Wands in reverse. So who's this Page of Wands, Spirit? One more card. Spirit is saying, Cancer, if there is an energy around you who's immature, childish energy, it's childish, I don't mean like a kid, could be an older person, older than you also, but with childish energy, immature and not taking responsibility and not bringing you this love or emotional satisfaction that you crave in your life. Uh, that you have absolutely no reason to stay committed and do everything for them. I'm not saying leave the person, but they're saying your commitment is first to yourself, right? If you have to now take back your power and commit to yourself first, and hold back a little bit, right? Hold back your money, abundance, prosperity for yourself, and not give it all away to somebody who doesn't bring you this, right? So that's Spirit Secret advice to you, Cancer. People see you as a bit gullible, I think, easy to, get things off from. So just be a bit mindful. Keep your money safe. Yes, no wonder this card of protection was there as well. Protect your money, your abundance, all that you worked hard for. Keep it a little bit tight and don't let others take advantage of it, right? Otherwise, don't worry. You have blessings and blessings of abundance with you. Just be wise about these kind of people around you who may steal your thunder. Okay? That's all I have for you, Cancer. Till next time now for your love reading. Love and light. Namaste.